Welcome to another exciting episode of Sabi Agri. And I remain your host, Uke Praise. Today we are in a bee farm located at Amizi Oloko, Ikwana local government of Abia State, which is in the southeastern part of Nigeria. We're going to be learning today about beekeeping. We're going to see the business behind beekeeping and also the science behind beekeeping. I know you're already excited because you're thinking about money, but let's learn how to get the money first.
An apiculturist that is innovative will be conscious of the amount of honey that comes from each comb, because consumers are highly sensitive to price. So when a farmer is not sensitive about seed, and how do you reduce it is by adopting and injecting technology that reduces the unit cost of output. Unit cost of what? Output.
We have an instructor today who will be teaching us how to grow this business, how to start this business, and how to actually profit from this business. Join me as we take on this lesson. Boy, oh boy, it's been a lovely experience here at the farm.
Very good experience.
Yeah. How was it?
Very cool.
Now, as you can see, we got this from just the little we did, and there's still more inside. We had a lovely time together. We didn't spend up to 3 hours doing this.
No. Just
Oh.
few minutes.
Yeah.
To 5 minutes.
You see? Now, we are actually in an incubation center, which means this place trains a lot of young people. If you're interested and you want to get trained, just give us a call and we'll be right there. I've had a nice time spending with Kingsley Mogo in Amizi. This is Sabi Agri. If you want Sabi, you go Sabi. See you next time, and we'll bring something very interesting to you. I remain your host, Uke Praise. Bye.
Honey is money.